Hello, this is Sridhar. I am going to discuss about the fundamental particles of an atom. Okay, in this fundamentals of chemistry, I am going to discuss about the fundamental particles of an atom. Okay, before going to discuss these fundamental particles, first of all, we have to know about the how big is an atom. How big is an atom? An atom is a incredibly small. The diameter of an atom would have to be increased 200 million times to have the diameter of a penny. Atom is an incredibly small. The diameter of an atom would have to be increased 200 million times have to the diameter of a penny. If an apple were enlarged to the size of the earth, the atoms in the apple would be the size of cherries. Okay, first of all, this Dalton was proposed an atomic theory to explain the nature of the atoms. Atoms are the smallest particles present in the matter and take part in the chemical reactions. The atoms are these atoms make up everything around us. Molecules are combinations of atoms. Elements are only the one type of atom. Compounds are made up of different types of atoms. In this, we discuss hydrogen gas, water. Atoms are the smallest particles of the matter. Atoms make up everything around us. Molecules are the combinations of atoms. Elements are only the one type of atom. Compounds are made up of different types of atoms. Example, compounds are hydrogen gas. It is made up of atoms. That is hydrogen gas. It contains two hydrogen atoms. Water molecule. It contains three atoms. How much does an atom weigh? What is its mass? Atoms are so small that it is impractical to use grams. One atom is equals to 10 to the power of minus 23 grams. Instead, atoms are measured in atomic mass or units or atomic AMUs. One carbon atom is 12 atomic mass units, and all atoms are compressed to this. What is an atom is made of? The subatomic particles are there. Those are neutron, proton, and electrons. A central dense nucleus means nothing but neutrons and protons, is surrounded by the electrons. Electrons have a negative charge, that is a minus charge. Protons have a positive charge. Atom is held together by the attraction of electrons and protons. Neutrons are the neutral. Okay, atoms are composed of three subatomic particles mainly. Okay, there are number of subatomic particles are there. In that, most important one are protons, neutrons, and electrons. The two important properties of these particles are the mass and charge. The relative mass of the proton is 1, neutron is 1, electron is 1 by 1840. The relative charge is proton is plus 1, neutron is neutral, that is 0, for electron it is minus 1. The mass of the electron is negligible when compared to the mass of the protons and neutrons. So their mass is not included when calculating the mass of the atom. The next one is we have to discuss briefly the electrons, the fundamental particles of electrons characteristics, and it was discovered by the J.J. Thomson in cathode ray discharge tube experiment. Cathode ray discharge tube experiment. Electron is a lightest fundamental particle and also called as beta particle. The name electron was given by the G.J. Stoney for the particles present in the cathode rays. The charge of the electron is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, minus 19 coulombs, and as the mass of these electrons is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. Or 0.00054 atomic mass units. The mass of the electrons calculated by the J.J. Thomson also. Okay, the charge of the electron is determined by the Mulliken by the oil drop experiment. The charge of this electron is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, or minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU units. ESU units. The specific charge of the electron is, that is, charge to mass ratio, that is a specific charge. It was determined by the J.J. Thomson, and its value is equals to 1.75820 into 10 to the power of 11 coulombs per kg. Okay, the E by M ratio, that is means specific charge ratio, is independent of nature of gas and nature of electrodes. The mass of the one electron is 0.55 milligrams, and the charge of the 1 mole of electron is 96,500 coulombs. And next one is the characteristics of the protons. Atoms are made up of extremely tiny particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are in the center of the atom, making up the nucleus. Electrons are surrounded the nucleus. Protons are having positive charge, electrons are having negative charge. In that case, we have to discuss the briefly of the characteristics of the protons. Protons were discovered by the Goldstein in anode ray experiment. The charge of the proton is plus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, or plus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 electrostatic units. It is same to the same value of the electron charge, but different in the magnitude. The mass of the proton is 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams, or 1.00727 atomic mass units. It is equals to the mass of the proton. That is, we have to treat it as 1. The specific charge of the proton is, that is E by m, charge to ratio, mass ratio is 9.58 into 10 to the power of 7 coulombs per kg. Its value is changes with the nature of the gas, and its maximum when the gas is the hydrogen. Okay, next one is the mass of the proton is 1.007 grams, and the charge of the 1 mole of proton is 96,500 coulombs. And next one is characteristics of the neutrons. Okay, this neutrons was discovered by the Chadwick in a bombarding of alpha particles with a thin layer of the beryllium. The reason for the late discovery of the neutron is due to the neutral nature. The mass of the neutron is slightly higher than the proton, that is a 0.18 percentage. Its value is 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams, or 1.0087867 atomic mass units. The specific charge of the neutron is 0. The same time the charge of the neutron also 0. The mass of the 1 mole of neutron is 1.008 grams. The heaviest neutron is the heaviest and least stable particle among the fundamental particles. Okay, the neutron is about 10 to the power of minus 13 centimeters in diameter and weights. Okay, briefly we had to discuss about its units and charge. Electron, its mass is in kgs 9.10939 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. For proton it is 1.67262 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. Similarly, the neutron mass also same, that is 1.67262 into 10 to the power of minus 27. At the same time, the mass of the electron in atomic mass units, that is 0.00055, and proton mass is 1.00728, the same as neutron, that is also 1.00728. The charge of the electron is minus 1, the proton is plus 1, and neutron is 0. Thank you.